35 English and Kurdish phrases. Learn English and Kurdish with me. زمانی انگلیزی و کردی. 35 çîrokên کردی و انگلیزی. In English, I miss you. I miss you. In Kurdish, من biriya te kir. من biriya te kir. I miss you. I miss you. من biriya te kir. In English, I have missed you. I have missed you. In Kurdish, من biriya te kiriye. من biriya te kiriye. I have missed you. من biriya te kiriye. Learn English and Kurdish. I have called you. I have called you. In Kurdish, من telefonata kiriye. من telefonata kiriye. I have called you. In English, what did you say? What did you say? In Kurdish, ما تا چی گفت؟ ما تا چی گفت؟ What did you say? ما تا چی گفت؟ درس زمانی کردی و انگلیزی. کرم آخا ببینه آبونه و بشوبینن. Please do not forget to subscribe and like and also to share. How will we do it? How will we do it? In Kurdish, ame çawa vay bikin. ame çawa vay bikin. Learn English and Kurdish. Calm down. Calm down in Kurdish. Hemen be. Or you can say that Arab be. Calm down. Hemen be. Let's subscribe to this channel. کرم آقا ببینه آبونه جبو به قناله. In English, slow down. Slow down. In Kurdish, dibe. dibe. Slow down. dibe. In English, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. In Kurdish, جهنم به هره. جهنم به هره. Get out of here. درس زمان انگلیزی و کردی. In English, hello. Hello. In Kurdish, slav. Slav. Hello. Learn English and Kurdish with me. 35 English and Kurdish phrases we are learning together. How are you? How are you? In Kurdish, tu Çawayî. Tu Çawayî. How are you in English? If you want to learn English language with the Kurdish translation or explanation, you are on the right channel. So that do not forget to subscribe to follow the next lesson. In English, be hopeful. Be hopeful. In Kurdish, هیویدار به. هیویدار به. هوالین هیجا برایان عزیز خوشکن دلال. واقعا جبو فیربون و هینبون زمان انگلیزی و کردیه. کرم آخا بشوپنین و شروعین خا بکن. Goddamn. In English, goddamn. In Kurdish, قزل قرد. قزل قرد. Goddamn. Learn English and Kurdish with me. What are you doing? What are you doing? In Kurdish, tu çedeki. تو چی دیگی؟ What are you doing now? تو چی دیگی؟ تو نها چی دیگی؟ تو آنها چی دیگی؟ In English, I am fine. I am fine. In Kurdish, از باشم. I am fine. از باشم. In English, who are you? Who are you? In Kurdish, to ki. To ki. Who are you? Learn English and Kurdish. That's me. That's me. In Kurdish, أو أزم. أو أزم. That's me. How to learn English and Kurdish. If you want to an answer for this question, you are on the right channel with me. What the hell? What the hell? أو چیه In Kurdish, أو چیه In English, I'm working. I'm working. In Kurdish, از دخبتم. از دخبتم. جبو درس زمانی کردی و انگلیزی کرم آخا شپاندن آخا کم نکن. What is this? What is this? What is this? In Kurdish, أو چیه? أو چیه? In English, shut up. Shut up. In Kurdish, دوی خو بگره. دوی خو بگره. Shut up. درس زمان کردی. English and Kurdish lesson 35 phrases. In English, of course. Of course. In Kurdish, beguman. Beguman. Of course, beguman. For what? For what? In Kurdish, boçi. Boçi. For, bo. What? Çi. Oh my God. Oh my God. In Kurdish, وای خدا. وای خدا. Oh, why? My God. خدا. I would like to say it. I would like to say it. از دخوازم وای ببیجم. To say it. وای ببیجم. I would like از دخوازم. Which reason? Which reason? جبر چه? Which کیجان چه? Reason جبر جبو. Why? Why? Bo. Why? As we said before, bo or jbo or jbochi. For what? درس زمانی کردی. Don't do like that. Don't do like that. EWHA neke. Neke. Don't do like that. EWHA. وكوي. Don't do it. Don't do it. Why neka? Don't do neka. It. Why? We. Witishti. What did he say? What did he say? Ma we chigod. Ma we chigod. Ma is an question mark or question tag. Ma we chigod. What did he say? Come here. Come here. Where? Where? Here. Where? Come. درس زمانی کردی. حوالین هجا حتی نوکه حتی استا حتی آنها حتی ناها ام به هفدر درس انگلیزی و کردی جار به جارجی هولندی فیر دبنه هین دبنه جبو کرما خا تکایا ببنه آبونه و بشو بینه. Don't do like this. وسانکه. Don't do like this. وسانکه. You are welcome. You are welcome. Ser Çawa. You are welcome means Ser Çawa. Everything is for you. That's nothing to do it. Ser Çawa. Brian Aziz. Hoşken dalal. و هن بیجن از جبوا هر تشتی بکم جان و روحی من جبوا فدایه گر هن پشکریا خواه جبوا زمانین کردی بکن. Let's say it. Let's say it. که ام بیجن. Let's hear ka. Say it, ambition. Say it. So that is the end of the lesson. We came here. Thanks for watching and see you next lesson. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this lesson to comment it. از گلک سپاستکم جبو تماشا کردنەوە بمێنن کێف و خێر و خۆشیدا ئەس هێوی دارم ئەمێ دەرسەکەدن دیسە هاتە ببینن گەلک سپاستکم زۆر سپاستکم ji بۆ پشتگیری و دەستەکەوە